Welcome to another Hack the Box challenge. The challenge being discussed today is called Templated, and it is located under the Web subsection within Challenges section of the platform. Once we started the challenge, we were presented with a URL that pointed to a Docker container running the target web application. Upon visiting the URL, we could see the website as shown below. To move forward with this challenge, the only information that we are presented with is that the website is proudly powered by Flask Jinja2. For those who may not be aware, Flask is a framework for building APIs and web applications in Python, and Jinja2 is a templating engine that allows Python code to be inserted into a standard web page. The first step here was to try some different routes for this URL and see what comes back. I always like to try a few common routes. Sure enough, I was able to get something interesting by trying a simple test route. We can see here that we are just looking to test a simple math calculation to see if we can get the Python server to do things. Sure enough, we see the response that we are looking for. The server has evaluated 7 out of 7 to 49. We can now exploit this ability to access some of the more juicy areas of Python. For example, if we change our math equation to looking for the following. Now we are starting to understand how dangerous this vulnerability can be, but let's push a little further to complete the challenge. In order to explore the depths of this danger zone, we need to look for a special class in Python which has a function called Pwned. As you could see, we get all subclasses, so now we can copy to the notepad and see what is inside that subclasses. Due to the number of results, it is easier to narrow down the results using a list slice as shown below. Finally, we can see that Pwned is there at index 414. Now that we know where this function is, and we can create a payload using Python and classes, so all we are looking to do here is list all the files in the current directory and see what comes back. Upon entering this into the URL, we get the following. We can see that all the directories and files on this machine are then listed for our convenience. There is a named flag txt. To complete our challenge, all we need to do is use the cat command to read the file and capture that flag. And finally, we got the flag, so we can now submit to the challenge. Thank you for watching today's challenge. If you haven't already, please consider subscribing for more content like this, and don't forget to give the video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it.